an intern here at the Peoria Art Guild for the summer. Today, I wanted to take you down to our classrooms so you can get a feel for what it's like to take a class here at the Peoria Art Guild. Okay, so we're downstairs where the classrooms are, and we just have this little main lounge area and some places to display some art. Okay, so this over here is a little seating area. And then if you come over to the right, you can see we have some displays for artwork. We have a few things up right now. Okay, and then this board is left over from a class that we just had, Design and Flow. I highly recommend it. Head on over to the Peoria Art Guild's website to check out more of our classes. And now let's get into some of our classrooms. Okay, so we're heading into our first classroom of the day here. Here it is. Okay, so this is our multimedia studio. As you can see, we have a lot going on here. Over here is our drying rack from some of our younger kids' classes. Then if you move on over here, we have a variety of paints. We do a lot of painting down here. We also have some woodwork here, super impressive. These are some of the instructions from our instructors for when they teach their classes, so suited to visual learners. If you come over here, we have some art in progress. We offer classes for a variety of ages, whether it be kids to adults. And this is what a good day of art making looks like. Welcome to our sewing studio. So in here, these are all of the tables that people work at. And then if you head to the back wall, these are all of our sewing materials. Right, these are all of these sewing machines, and then boxes full of anything that you could ever need to create your best project. We have bobbins, zippers, tape measures. We also have our mannequins over here. It's a little too tall for me, but so much fabric up there, as you can see. And then of course, we can't forget an unlimited amount of thread. And right here, I just happened to discover a little project that someone had been working on. Super cool, cute little handmade scrunchie. Okay, I hope you enjoyed getting a sneak peek into 2 out of our 5 studios. Tune back into our YouTube to catch the tours of the other ones. All right, see you later.